a part of design thinking activity, our college actually initiates a process of design thinking, and based on this, we have taken a very simple topic, that is introduction to AI. So in design thinking process, you will be having 5 different subtopics in which my students are here to explain. So these are my students, and these people will be explaining you a very simple topic. So let us see like how my students are doing it in an efficient way.
Hello everyone, myself Nandishwar. I am here to share about introduction to AI in empathy. To introduce AI meaningfully, we begin by understanding who we are designing AI and why. This matters AI does not exist in isolation. It is built to solve real human problems. How AI helps? AI helps students learn by personalized tutoring apps. AI supports doctors with accurate predictions from scans. AI enables smart homes, self-driving cars and chatbots. AI is not about coding or machines. It is about making a technology and human-centered, intelligent and more useful to improve lives by understanding the users, challenges and goals. We can design AI systems that truly make difference. Thank you.
So in design thinking, the defined statement is where you clearly explain or frame the problem statement or point of view based on the insight of empathy during the gathering. First, there are literally many types of AI, like arrow AI, ungendered AI, etc. First, let's start with the goal. Our goal is to we define the clear problem statement based on the needs and empathy during this insight of meeting. Next, problem statement. So, first time learners like students or any professionals from the non-technical background are found this is very difficult because this language AI is too much complex and it is not easy to understand. Next, point of view. Our learners need a simplified, engaging introduction to AI that connects with daily life. Next, my role as a presenter. My role is not about to just motivate or engaging the complex of the AI, but my role in the seminar is to make the accessible, relatable, and inspiring the students about AI.
Come up with as many useful and creative ideas as possible that can solve real life problems. First, voice assistant for schools. This can help students can do the homework easily and quickly. And AI plant doctors, we can take the photo of the plant and upload it to the AI so that it can detect whether the plant is healthy or not. Then speech to text for deaf people. Deaf people are not allowed to speak or they can't hear anything. So by hearing the speech, they can convert it to text and they can read and solve their problems easily. And then helmet with AI, so it can detect the warning or whether we are in danger or not, and send the information to the certain people we are contacted to emergency. And then AI book reader, which can help people to read aloud the stories or things for people who are visually impaired. And then each stage helps us move from problems to solutions. We need to build everything now just to creative, helpful, and which are beneficial for the people to achieve and make their life easy. Thank you.
You can just now tell me what is the different prototype and what is the testing methodology that has been used in this process. So you can.
I'm Shaktiswaran from the AI department. I'm here to share about the prototype of the introduction to AI. What is prototype? A basic chat box that greets the user, asks their name, responds to simple questions. What it shows? AI can respond to human input. Even basic AI works using logic and learning. This is how smart assistants like Siri, Alexa started in simple way. Optional prototype ideas: voice-based assistant using speech to text, AI image classifier, AI specific with score tracking. A voice-based AI assistant listens to your voice, converts it into text, understands what you said, and then gives response just like Siri, Google Assistant or Alexa. How it works? Speak your command, speech to text, text processing, gives response. The assistant replies using text or voice, text to speech. Here the AI tools used for prototype. Python programming language, speech project benefits. Why it's useful? Helps visually impaired users, enables hands-free control, can be used in smartphone, cars education, real world applications for of speech AI.
So yes, this is how the process of introduction to AI is completely being evaluated using the design thinking process. There are 5 steps that empathy, define, ID, prototype and test, which has been explained by my students. So SNS institution is one of the premium institutions which actually got design thinking into the picture, and it is also one of the first institute who brought this into existence. So this is how the design thinking is will be evaluated and will be done in our college. So based on this, the concepts will be easily understood by the students without telling what the actual process is. I hope that this video was actually interesting, and I guess that in the next upcoming videos, I'll be making you out with a case study video which will be done in a small activity way. Thank you. Have a nice day.